Hey folks, welcome back to this video. What we're going to do inside of this video is we're going to go ahead and unlock the store, because right now if we go and visit the store, it actually has a password. It should have a password protect on it if you're not logged in. So all your visitors, as you can see, your online store is password protected within blah blah blah. We're going to take the password off the store so that when we do start sending traffic and visitors to our store, they can actually see our items and not a locked password screen. Next thing that we're also going to do is we're going to publish the theme that we've already set up. And then lastly, we're going to go ahead and add a product to the store. Okay. Now, as I said and stated before, there are certain criteria that I want you to follow when it comes to adding the product to the store, which I will go over here in a second. So the first thing is we want to go ahead and navigate over to online store. We want to navigate to the theme, and we want to go ahead and publish the theme. Okay, should be a purple publish button. I did a demo video prior to this, and I've already pressed the publish theme button. Just go ahead and do so now. Once it's published, head on over to preferences, scroll all the way to the bottom, enable. Okay, so now you're going to take the password off. You're also going to type out your title, your homepage title. Okay. Um, this stuff we're going to worry about a little bit later. We definitely, when we start up a store, we want to have Google Analytics installed in our store, which we'll do a separate video on that as well, and as well as Facebook Pixel, etc. So we'll go over all that stuff in another video. But so we've already got the store unlocked, and we've already published the theme. So the last thing that we want to do is actually add the product to the store. What? I might want to save that. Now we want to add the product to the store. So go ahead and add product. Okay, so now we want to type out the title of the product, which is the one I'm getting ready to use is this here. But I'm also going to use the setup from here because I found another store. Again, swipe and deploy, swipe and deploy. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. I'm just going to basically copy and paste everything that I see. It's going to help us to make sales with this item. So this is some info here. Boom. And then we've got picture. We've got pictures here. Boom. So I can go ahead and I can copy all of this. You just want to make sure you have the specifications there on this as well. which is they have iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus. So we want to make sure that we put those down as well. So I'm going to paste those pictures in here, which I did. So all the pictures are added. Then you want to make sure that you get these pictures, and whatever image that you put up first is what's going to show. So it's what's going to show first. So that's important. Just upload the first one first. You can definitely upload more than one at one time quickly. It might be in that folder. Sworn I just saved it. These are videos. Well, another option is I could just I could just open up my folder, and I can go to my store, and I could just drag and drop, because for whatever reason it's just not, it's not there. So I'm gonna do it that way. Where's that listing? All right, so that's good enough. So I could just drag all of them over there. So, and this is a duplicate, so I'm gonna trash that. We're gonna charge. Okay, so normally I would say right there, $19.95. Okay, that's the price. You want to charge taxes. It's only going to tax people who buy from you in your state. Okay, otherwise there's no taxes on there. We're going to leave the price at 0.00 because we're doing just pay shipping, which we said again, it's a free item, but they're just going to pay the shipping price. And the only way to determine the shipping price is if obviously you need to have this box checked, and then you need to have the weight set to 3.3, which is what we set up in our shipping settings when we initially started setting up our store. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and save this product. Oop. There was a couple of things I needed to get done. Variants. We need to add the variants into the store. Which is the colors. And so we need to go back to our listing, the one that we have, and we can just do whatever this is, red and black, and then red. Yeah, red and black. Okay. That's the color, red and black. Red, comma, black, comma. We need to add another option, which is for the iPhone. Phone, type, or model. I just put type. So I'm going to go back to the listing, see what they got. iPhone 6, 6S Plus, iPhone 6, 6S, iPhone 7S, 7 Plus, iPhone 6 Plus. Oh, 6S, my bad, 6S. Got iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 6 Plus. We got the different types and the colors. One thing that I did forget is on the side here, we want to make sure that we want to put things in order. So the product type is a phone case. That's what I want to, that's how we're going to actually determine the categories within our site. So phone cases is one, home collection, and then you're going to put color changing phone case, or so there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and save that, and that's how you add a product to your store. Now there are other apps like Orburlo that helps it a lot. Helps you to do this a lot quicker. But that's something that you can add. It'll definitely help you to add products a lot faster if you use Orburlo. Okay, if you go to your app store, you can add Orburlo to your store, and it'll help you to add the product quicker. So just a real quick demo. You can go to visit App Store. Oberlo. That's the app. You would get that, install it. And here is the interface with our Oberlo. Okay, if I go to see if it'll interact. Let me scroll at the bottom, see if I can, if there's another case I can add real quick, just to, as a demo. Yeah, just add this real quick. Okay, you see this little icon right here? This is the Oberlo app. If you click on that, it says product imported successfully. Open import list. And so you're going to have to edit the name of this before you even actually import it into your store. So you're going to select the collection, which we don't have yet. We're going to have to set that up here in a second. Product type. Yeah, it just doesn't have it there yet. So, and then you're going to want to go through here like, okay, this is the description that is pulling from AliExpress. And then here's all the variants that it's also pulling. So you can label this whatever you want. This is going to be the color variant, and then it's going to obviously the material. So it's A, B, C, D, you know, whatever. A, C, D, B, A, C. Yeah, so that's not correct. You need to edit this piece. So you got to be mindful of those things. You can just put something like option 1. All right, it's done. Price points. You're gonna have to change the price points since it's gonna be free plus ship, or this would be a free. Actually, you don't want to put all the prices free plus ship. So you're gonna set a new value, and that value could be $19.95 since that's the normal price that you would have sold it for. And you would hit apply, and it will apply to all of them. Okay. And it says change all prices. Compared price. Okay, we need to change the compared price. Set new value. Let's just say 24.95. Apply. That's not what I wanted. 24.95. Apply. Okay, so that's good to go. Push to the shop. Done. So when you go back to your store, you should be able to see that in your product section as well. Okay, and that's how you add. And you just, like I said again, this obviously you want to add 5 items that are basically around that particular product that you're getting ready to market. See, I'm going to market this product, so I need to add 5 more iPhone cases to my store. Now, I'm not going to bore you by doing that here on this webinar right now, but obviously you're going to want to use that. So in that regard, you know what you need to do next. Add all these products to your store before we even think about sending traffic to the store. What I'm going to do in the next video is I'm going to cover what applications, what apps you should use in your store, and then also we're going to go ahead and let's see, go into the apps here. Just kind of like lost my train of thought. We're also going to go and order the logo. Okay, we're going to do that in the next video. So with all that being said, literally this is the last step before we start uh, actually promoting the products in the store, and where the real magic happens. Okay, diving into the Facebook ads, but all this, everything leading up to this point has got to be done prior to. Okay, so we got to have the logo already ready to launch in the store before we do anything. Okay, so with all that being said, I look forward to talking to you in the next video.